How to find emails of Etsy seller. Now, if you are having problems to locate the emails that is from Etsy seller, you just simply need to open the mail application at very first. Just simply open any of the mail which you have used in order to create Etsy seller account. I have used my Gmail, so I'm gonna use the Gmail application. And after you open the application, in most cases you are gonna find all of the Etsy seller emails in directly here. You can scroll down in order to find out the emails. If you cannot see it here, you can use the search in emails option in order to search for Etsy seller. Just simply type Etsy seller in here and you can find out and locate emails from this page. If you still cannot find the emails, that might be because of two reasons. First one is that to protect your mail account, it has been sent to the spam section of emails. You can check spams at very first. If you can find it here, that's very good. Otherwise, if you still cannot find your emails from Etsy seller, that is probably because you disabled the emails from Etsy. You just simply need to enable the emails from Etsy very first in order to get the emails, and then you'll start getting emails from Etsy seller, and this is how you locate it. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.